Can I get the cast? Can I get the cast of the film over here? Crew, if you're a crew member of Ademola, can I have you here? Film is a collaborative effort and you all make it possible. Can you all come? Please come. Okay guys, I just want to say very big thank you for coming. Thank you. I'm sorry we took so much of your time. Thank you.
Where are all
so
the cast
much.
from now?
God bless you. Please, can we give a round of applause to my dad? Can we give a round of applause to my dad? And my crew. So, guys, please, I don't have a mic, so I'm going to be screaming at so please, spread the word. Can I get the mic? Yes. From the 14th, pre-screening in some cinemas 14, 15 in all cinemas nationwide. And that question right there. God bless you for coming. I love you. People don't love me. We love you. Oba for so many reasons.
No, me, I'm okay.
We made a movie. Everybody, thank you. We made a video. Spread the word, guys. Spread the word. And that is in signal. Spread the word. You guys did well. If you book right,
to watch Ademola. This is extremely gorgeous. I like every part of it. Please, guys, spread the word.
Spread the word, guys. Ademola, this is
Eniola for raising.
Spread the word. This is a family film. This is a holiday film. This is a film for the season, for the holiday season. And it's a film for all the family. Please spread the word. It's in my close to you to see Ademola.
Ìyàwó ṣó ti lọ bọ́ ṣọ ni olóṣì.
Èmi ò lè máa kó sí kọ́sẹ̀tì wèrè ẹ̀fẹ́ pa mí ni. Kọ́sẹ̀tì ti kò dáadáa. Oh my sorry, come sit down when they come on. Mama, that's my boyfriend. I don't like it.
Hey, shush.
What's that?
Oh my God. You feel so well. I enjoyed the movie.
Mr. Blogger, sorry.
Tomorrow you see the review.
He's a blogger. Oh my! You know, I thought you were in Michigan. I didn't know you came all the way.
I just go back. Hi,
Mama.
my love for coming. Thank you. Thank you. Malaka, I appreciate it. Thank you for coming.